Hi, are you one of the individuals that are tired of being broke? Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you tired of all the tax money coming out of your paycheck just so you left with this $1 bill to pay your bills? Are you tired of living in this rat race? I'm going to show you how you can take this $1 and turn it into millions so you never have to worry about money again. Wouldn't it be a funny ad, right? I think that'd be a funny ad. I usually see them a lot all over the place. But nah, for real. I'm going to actually show you, and I'm going to break down the math real quick on how you really can turn that dollar into millions of dollars. Ray Woods here, channel Crab Out the Bucket. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that smash button. Hit the subscribe button. It's going to pop up on the screen right there. I can't even get my words out right? On this channel, I discuss financial education that you wasn't taught in school and mindset. Now, I want to go ahead and get into this video, and I'm not going to be really talking face to face right here, but you're going to hear me in the audio, and I'm going to actually use my tablet to break down some of these numbers on how you could take that dollar and turn it into millions, doing what Grant Cardone likes to say, the millionaire math. But we're going to do this a little differently, and we're going to put a different twist on it and use some real life examples. Okay, so we're at the whiteboard, and remember, we're going to start with $1. You have $1 in your pocket. And I'll make this concept pretty quick. We're going to use the eBay approach because you have $1 and you're trying to grow your money. The first thing you want to do, if you use the eBay account, and this is just for example, you make the account. Now you want to go find some products to sell. Now you can find something that's either $1 or less. You can find this at places like the Facebook Marketplace. Some people may just want to give stuff away for free. And you also can find this at the yard sale, and we'll use YS for short. Okay? So you find the item that you want to sell. It could be a toy. And let's just say it is a toy for an example. You get this for free. And now you turn around and you go post that on eBay. You take that same toy and you sell it for $5. Okay? Now you're going to add that to your $1. And now you have $6 in your pocket. You're going to take that $6. And now you can go to somewhere that may cost a little money, either whether it be Facebook Marketplace, or it be Goodwill, or it be a yard sale. You're going to find another item, and this item, let's say you spent $3 on it. You now have $3 here. This is your amount that you have left after you pay for the item here. And now you're going to turn around and put that on eBay, and you're going to sell that item for $15. Now you just made $15. So let's make sure that you're keeping up. We do the math real quick. You got $6 that you had before from the free item, and then you lost $3. That left you with $3. Now you just sold that item. You got $15. Now that's going to bring you $18. And now you take that $18 and you do the same concept over and over again until you're able to get your money up until you potentially reach $100, $200, whatever it may be. Okay? And that's just now you're going from the single digits to the double digits to the triple digits. And this is something that can even be scaled up to people making 5 figures on eBay. I have friends that have literally paid their bills selling Jordans on eBay, and people that's made tens and $20,000 selling their things on eBay. Now, let's escalate this even more. I like to use the concept of real estate, okay? And let's say you had all that money from eBay, and let's just say you got $1,000 in your bank account now. You're going to take that $1,000 and you're going to pay for some marketing. You're going to pay for some business cards. You're going to pay to get your LLC. You're going to pay to do a bunch of different things and get into real estate wholesaling. Okay. If you haven't heard about real estate wholesaling, you're finding a house, you're putting it under contract, you're assigning the contract, and you're making an assignment fee for this type of real estate business. And let's say you just spent $500 to do that. Now you have $500 that you have that's in your pocket. Okay. The other $500 you use for marketing. Let's say you go out there and find a house, and the house, you got it under contract for maybe $10,000. And now you took that contract and you assigned it to a buyer, and that buyer is going to pay $15,000 for it. Now the difference between these two is going to give you that wholesale, that assignment fee, which means you're going to make $5,000. And then you're going to take that amount and you're going to add it back to what you have now. Now, your total amount that you have in your pocket now is $5,500. And you continuously do that until you get enough money to where you now can go into something like rehabbing. So when you go into something like rehabbing, now you're able to pull a loan and start making a significant capital gain. Okay, you end up taking this house and rehabbing, and for the sake of the video, I'm gonna kind of keep it short. I'm not gonna go too much into details. You take it and rehab it, and then now you have a better house that you can sell to a potential home buyer, and you're gonna sell this house for an even bigger profit, and you're gonna keep doing this over and over again until you get to the point where you can buy either skyscrapers, multifamily units, excuse my drawing, or anything of that nature, to now you're making even more money. And this is the concept of taking some money and you reinvest it into your business. When you take this money, you do not go out and spend it. You do not do this. That is something you do not do. You take this money and you dump it back into yourself or into your business, so then you can come out with more money on top and more money on top and more money on top. This is how you take $1 and end up making millions of dollars with it. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, the whiteboard video, and I just wanted to show you something just as simple with this dollar on how you can make millions. And you know, since I've been in this entrepreneurial realm or this business realm of trying to do things with either internet or real estate, I've tried so many things in my past, and there's some things that the mistakes that I made that I wanted to relate to you guys, but you want to make sure that you pick something and that you continue to go on with it until you continue to grow with it. And then you get around the right people, you surround yourself with the right people, you increase your knowledge, you take the money, you reinvest it into yourself, you reinvest it into your business, and you keep growing and you keep making money. Don't take it and spend it, because this money is gonna, if you attract it, it will come to you. And you can take this dollar, multiply it 1,000,000 times, make $1 million. You can take that million, multiply it by 10, even make more money. It's unlimited potential that you can do, as long as you stay focused and you keep pushing with what you're trying to do. Now, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. On this channel, I discuss my past mistakes so I can teach others like yourself through the financial education you did not learn in school and through mindset. And until my next video, I will holler at y'all later. And go get them dollars.